another side. Oh, there's a two heart one. The heart is really gorgeous. Look at this one.
Yes, yes.
Oh, perfect one. Wow. So let's see. No Chinese, honey. No Chinese. Okay.
No Chinese.
So let's move the. Okay. So later I will open the grandma. The grandma is so big. It's biggest one. Here, everybody say, look, this one is big. Wow. Let's see what kind of pearl can we get here. Wow. Look at this one. So wow, this here. Side. Oh, there's a two heart one. The heart is really gorgeous. Look at this one.
Yes, yes.
Oh, perfect one. It's really nice. And let's see this one here. Oh, we got another. We got three goods. It's really beautiful. Don't forget, follow us, honey.
Whoa,
Don't forget, follow us. Okay, I will wash this for you. Wow, look at this pearl. So beautiful. Every pearl is so beautiful. So we can make this one into a necklace or make them into ear